Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I'm Rauf Batintuh. This is Group 4 Introductory Six Sigma presentation. Our group will present our Six Sigma project titled Reducing Energy Wastage Due to Lights and Air Conditioning Left On in Empty UMPSA Classrooms. Our project focuses on a common issue in campus classrooms, which is lights and air conditioning units being left on even when the classroom is empty. Although this may look like a small issue, it can lead to unnecessary electricity consumptions, higher operating costs, and environmental impact if it happens repeatedly. This project is related to SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, because it encourages efficient and responsible electricity usage. To study this issue, we used the define and measure phases of Six Sigma. We collected observation data from selected classrooms and identified the main factor contributing to energy wastage. For the project charter, our project title is Energy Wastage Due to Lights and Air Conditioning Left On in Empty UMPSA Classrooms. The main problem is that many empty classrooms still had the lights on and the air conditioning running. Based on our observation, 80% of empty classrooms had lights left on, while 72% had air conditioning left on. This shows that the problem is measurable and need attention. The scope of our project is focused only on selected UMBSA classrooms, especially classroom lights and air conditioning units. We did not include other areas such as hostels, offices, or other electrical equipment like projects and computers. This is to keep project focused and realistic. Our SMART goal is to reduce unnecessary electricity usage in empty classrooms by identifying the major causes and recommending practical improvement actions. The expected benefits include lower energy wastage, reduced operating cost, better sustainability performance, improving classroom energy management, and stronger awareness among students and staff.
Hello, my name is Abdurrahim. I will explain the society impact of our project. Our project focuses on reducing energy wastage caused by lights and air conditioning being left on in the empty UMBSA classrooms. This issue may look small, but it can create a bigger impact on the university community. First, the project helped improve energy saving awareness when students, lecturers, and staff notice reminders or become involved in saving energy. They start to understand that electricity should not be wasted. Simple actions, such as switching off lights and air conditioning after using a classroom, can become part of daily responsibility. Second, this project encourages energy saving habits. The goal is not only to solve the problem once, but to make people practice responsible behavior every day. When the UMBSA community repeatedly follows the habits, it becomes normal to check the classrooms before leaving. Third, this project supports a culture of sustainability. A sustainable campus is not only about technology or facilities. It also depends on the behavior of the people, students, lecturers, and staff. Can work together to reduce waste and protect resources. This creates a more responsible and environmentally friendly learning environment. Finally, our project is also related to SDG 7, which focuses on affordable, clean, and efficient energy by reducing unnecessary electricity use. UMBSA can support this goal at the campus level. Overall, the society impact of this project is that it builds awareness, improves habits, and encourages the UMBSA community to become more responsible in energy usage. Also, I will explain the economic impact of our project. Since our project aims to reduce electricity wastage in UMBSA classrooms, it can also give financial benefits to the university. The first economic benefit is lower electricity bills. When light and air conditioning are left on in empty classrooms, electricity is used without any purpose. Air conditioning especially consumes a large amount of energy. So, by reducing this wastage, UMBSA can lower its electricity expenses each semester. The second benefit is the relocation of saved funds. Money saved from lower electricity bills can be used for more useful purposes. For example, the university can spend the saving on improving classroom facilities, maintaining lab equipment, upgrading learning space, or supporting academic resources for students. This means that reducing energy waste does not only save money but also improves the quality of university services. The third benefit is decreased operational costs. A university has many buildings, classrooms, and facilities, so energy cost is part of daily operation. If unnecessary energy use is reduced, the overall cost of running the campus can also be reduced. This helps the university manage its resources more efficiently. In addition, this project creates long-term value. Even small savings from one classroom can become significant when applied to many classrooms across UMBSA. Over time, these savings can support better financial management and more sustainable campus operations. Overall, the economy impact of this project is that it reduces waste, lower costs, and allows UMBSA to use its money in better ways for students, staff, and future improvements. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muazzif Ibn Mustafa Kamal. Now I'm going to present the sustainability impact of our project in reducing energy wastage and unused classroom. First, the project is aligned with Sustainable Development Goal 7 or SDG 7, which focus on affordable and clean energy. By ensuring that light and air conditioning units are switched off where classrooms are not in use, energy can be utilized more efficiently. Next, the project contribute to carbon footprint reduction, where when less electricity is consumed, less energy need to be generate less energy need to be generated by power plant. As a result, the carbon emission associated with electricity generation can be reduced. In addition, the project supports UMPSA's green initiative and long-term sustainability goal. It encourages energy-saving behavior among students, lecturers, and staff while supporting the university commitment to environmental sustainability. Next, I will be presenting the health and safety impact of our project. First, the project helps preventing the overheating and electrical fault. When electrical equipment are left running unnecessarily for a long period, they may experience excessive wear, overheating, or technical issue. By preventing this device operate only when required, the risk of the equipment failure and electrical fault can be minimized. The project also helps maintain optimal classroom environment. The proper control of lighting and air conditioning ensure that classroom remain comfortable and safe for students and lecturers during teaching and learning session. At the same time, energy saving can be achieved without compromising user comfort or well-being. In addition, the project help reduce equipment hazards related to electrical misuse and prolonged unattended operation. Leaving equipment running in empty classroom increase the possibility of unnecessary risks, including electrical malfunction.
For this slide, I will explain the legal framework's impact of our project. Our project focuses on reducing energy wastage caused by lights and air conditioning being left on in empty UMPSA classroom. From the legal perspective, this project supports energy conservation practice and responsible electricity usage. Although this is not a full legal audit, it still follows the direction of national and university effort to encourage energy efficiency. Based on our observation, we check 45 classrooms and 25 of them were empty. From those empty classrooms, 20 had lights left on and 18 had air conditioning still operating. This shows that energy wastage happens quite frequently. This project also supports sustainability policy adherence as an educational institution. UMPSA has a responsibility to use energy wisely and support SDG 7, which focus on affordable and clean energy. Lastly, this project helps UMPSA become a more responsible institution. Simple actions such as reminder notice, monitoring, and clear switch off procedure can improve energy saving compliance without requiring major electrical change. Now, I will continue with the environmental impact. The main environmental benefit is carbon emission reduction. When lights and air conditioning are left on in empty classroom, electricity is wasted. If this electricity comes from non-renewable resources, it can indirectly increase pollution and greenhouse gas emission. Our data shows that 80% of empty classroom had light switched on while 72% had air conditioning switched on. Also, 60% of the classroom had both light and air conditioning operating at the same time. This is important because air conditioning usually consumes more electricity than lighting. By reducing this wastage, UMPSA can lower unnecessary electricity consumption and reduce avoidable carbon emission. It also helps reduce environmental degradation because less energy is produced and used without purpose. Finally, this project supports a healthier campus environment by encouraging the student, lecturer, and staff to be more responsible in saving energy. In conclusion, reducing energy wastage is not only about saving costs, it also supports policy compliance, protect the environment, and help UMPSA become a more sustainable university.
To conclude, this project showed that the energy wastage in UMTU classrooms is a real and measurable problem. From 45 classroom checks, 25 classrooms were found empty. Out of those empty classrooms, 80% had lights left on, 72 had air conditioning left on, and 60% had both lights and air conditioning operating at the same time. In the measure phase, we found that the average energy wastage duration was 3.33 hours per day, and the defect rate was 36%. The cause and effect matrix showed that the air conditioning operating hours, lighting operating hours, and user awareness were the most important factors. The FMEA also showed that the air conditioning left on the empty classrooms has had the highest risk priority number. Overall, the project can bring positive impact to MPSA. It can reduce electricity costs, improve sustainability, reduce environmental impact, improve safety, and build better energy saving habits among classroom users. Some practical recommendations include reminder notices, awareness campaigns, regular monitoring, clear responsibility after class, and future use of automated shut-off system or occupancy sensors. Thank you for listening.